crisp taste to it. Okay. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay. So let's see where they've gone through.
By the way,
This is some.
that's a sump.
Yeah.
We'll need liquid for anything here. We need liquid nails. He said to not do anything.
Right.
Oh yeah, not to nail down.
Not to nail down into it.
Yeah. Welcome to this week's project. So here's what we've got to do. And you can hear there's a whole lot, like I'm always getting photobombed. We're working on this basement. This basement was actually flooded. And what they did was they came through. They've got a sump system that got put in, which is great. But they ended up having the plywood up on here with a fiberboard behind it. Unfortunately, we couldn't match it. So the first crew came through and they've gone through and cut all of this stuff out. And we're going to work on framing this up with pressure treated lumber so that way it won't rot out. And then we're going to hang new drywall throughout the basement. One thing we did not get was the dry lock. So we've got a crew out there going to get the dry lock now so we can repaint and seal that up. So let's take a look at the...
Do you want to cut? Yep, I'll do it.
I do it.
I've done enough. You go first.
Now I'll be the marker. Okay, this needs to go down.
Boom.
I might have it in my bag, but my bag's in the car. That's my bag.
One reason, sorry.
Go down. I need the marker first. We mark. He took the marker. I think. The marker is the square.
Yeah.
We're learning. We're learning.
Efficient operation.
Cut on the outside.
Okay. So, you're going to get this tool close to it. Okay. So you see the blade lined up on the line? Okay. Now pull it back a little bit. Pull the trigger. You gotta push that down the same time you pull the trigger. So you have to push that down and then pull the trigger. Yeah. Okay, so now line it back up. Right there, a little bit off. There you go. Now.
Good job.
Man, we are rocking and rolling. So we got the paint now. So we're getting it all painted down low, seal that up. We're getting our studs put on so we start hanging the drywall. Once it gets about 6 feet or so, we'll start going up and cutting the drywall and bringing that down and start putting it in. So this is going to be almost like an assembly line of work. So frame, behind it, drywall, paint ahead of that, boom, 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 and we'll get her done.
I think that one had some extra hard behind it because this one's going way crazier. Yeah.
We just need to find a way it's so good.
All right. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and put one there. The box of screws is right there behind. Oh wait. Let me sit hold the tool one more time.
All right.
I don't know. I'm just getting some water and taking a breather for a second. Well, it's the paint more than the dust not bothering me.
Lift it up on something. Well, it'd be nice if I had my drywall jack. But there we go. Okay, go ahead and screw it. Right. There, that'll work. Put it in, push it in. Push it. Okay, let me show you. You gotta go right straight, and you gotta push it to engage it, hold pressure.
There's also a more, you know,
That's it. All right, now look, some of the screw.
Oh, you can hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might smash your finger, right?
Push it in. Now pull the trigger. This is the first time you've ever used it, so it takes a little time. Okay, now pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. That's it. That's the key on that is if you go almost hot down when you push it in there, it's gonna come off of it. So
I've never done it either. So
well, there's another drill over there, but the thing is it only engages when you push it in, and you need to keep firm pressure on it. Now you can pull the trigger just a little bit if you want to, so that way a little bit more control. So you just keep on going up, just like that. That's so. Now trust me, I can't show up on your job and do your job like that. It would take me a long time, if ever. So go through, and about every foot you want to put one of those in. I've got the marks right here where the studs are.
okay.
And okay, so if it's pushed all the way in, that's reverse. You push it this way, it's going forward. It only engages when you push on it, so you have to keep flowing pressure. Okay? You did it. Okay? Okay, now make sure you end up getting it so it's pushed inside of it because that mud has to go on it, okay?
My glasses fell out of my...
Which way did they go?
Just straight.
Okay. That's it, there you go.
Right there.
Oh,
I don't think there's a stud.
there's
here.
not. So there's a stud. Wait a minute, okay. It should be, it's over just a little bit more right here. So you'll get one like right here and then a couple more going up. All right, so we're progressing here, and we're, though, in the dark because we moved some of the outlets and stuff in here, and so everybody's in here with flashlights. And the Lord said, let there be light. That is, if I don't trip and hurt myself. Let's see. Wow. I don't know. SEAL Team 4 here is looking pretty good. Group 1, you may have to come to Selma and step up the game. Here we go. Look at this wall. Look at how nice and tight those joints are. And we, by the way, waterproofed them too. We waterproofed those walls. Look at that. Look at that corner over there. Oh. And now we're ready to get down the side. Oh, and we have to do electrical work too.
Need some help?
Yeah.
Let's square this thing up.
So here is where I'm having to go horizontal.
Got it. Is that your mark?
Yes, a little more.
Up, down,
Yeah.
up.
Yep. I'm trying hard so that you can hire me on your next project.
Okay. They're rocking and rolling. She literally keeps telling me, take a break, because she wants to do it all. She's used the multi-tool, she's used the drill, done everything on here. And I feel like a proud parent because they all come through and they start just doing stuff and it's just like, move out the way. Okay. I'm so proud. Wow. Okay, so it's cleanup time. And, time to go back to the hotel and take a shower because I feel like we're in a cow pasture. We got all the drywall hung to this point right here. So tomorrow We've got 4 sheets that way. Pastor Dan's going to be bringing some flooring. So if we can skim the walls tomorrow, we're going to start laying the floor right across here. We'll get some drop cloths and cover it as we go through. And that would be amazing if we can get it done. I'm going to check and see if they have some of the covers here so we can change those out, which will definitely brighten the place up a bit. And my crew, how you feeling?
Awesome.
Feeling awesome. There you go. Feeling awesome.
satisfied.
So, SEAL Team 4. We're SEAL Team 4. Now look, there wasn't a tool right here that she did not use. And look, first thing this morning, she grabbed a circuit saw. She's like, I'm using that thing. And then I started cutting drywall, and I showed her how to do it. And I went, get out of the way. That's my job. Go sit down. I'm like, okay. All right. Don't tell me twice. But it's coming along looking really good. And I couldn't be prouder of my crew.